Here's a 30-day weight loss plan designed to help you gradually and sustainably lose weight. Week 1. Establishing healthy habits. Day 17. 1. Calculate your daily calorie needs for weight loss. Use an online calculator. 2. Plan your meals for the week, focusing on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 3. Start each day with a healthy breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. 4. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise, e.g., brisk walking, cycling, into your daily routine. 5. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep cravings at bay. 6. Avoid sugary beverages and processed snacks, opting for nutritious alternatives instead. Week 2. Increasing activity and portion control. Day 8-14. 1. Increase your daily exercise to 45 minutes, incorporating strength training exercises for muscle toning and calorie burning. 2. Practice portion control by using smaller plates and measuring serving sizes to avoid overeating. 3. Keep a food journal to track your meals, snacks, and calorie intake throughout the day. 4. Limit added sugars and refined carbohydrates, opting for whole foods instead. 5. Aim for at least 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support weight loss and overall health. 6. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Week 3. Fine-tuning your diet and fitness routine. Day 15-21. 1. Focus on increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains to aid digestion and promote satiety. 2. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts into your exercise routine to boost calorie burn and improve cardiovascular health. 3. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues and avoiding distractions while eating. 4. Experiment with meal prep and batch cooking to save time and ensure healthy meals are readily available. 5. Stay consistent with your exercise routine, aiming for at least 5 days of physical activity per week. 6. Don't forget to include healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, for optimal nutrition and satiety. Week 4. Staying motivated and focused. Day 22-30. 1. Set realistic goals for the remaining days of the month, focusing on progress rather than perfection. 2. Reward yourself for sticking to your plan, whether it's with a relaxing bath, a new workout outfit, or a fun activity you enjoy. 3. Stay accountable by sharing your progress with friends, family, or a supportive online community. 4. Incorporate relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to manage stress and prevent emotional eating. 5. Reflect on your achievements and challenges throughout the month and make adjustments to your plan as needed for continued success. 6. Celebrate your accomplishments at the end of the 30 days and commit to maintaining your healthy habits for long-term weight management and overall well-being.